to the Sanders Kitchen. My name's Mike Sanders. Pam's behind the camera. Good to have you here today. This video is about how to make shrimp stock or seafood stock. So what we've done for a particular recipe we'll be doing is we bought 3 pounds of shrimp, and we're using this handy dandy shrimp peeler to take the shrimp out. And we're going to take the heads, pop the heads off the shrimp, put the shrimp peeler in here, give it a push, pull the meat out, put that in one bowl, and everything else in here, all of the heads and tails will go in the pot, and we're going to add some water, probably a couple of quarts, and then we'll just boil it for a couple of hours, maybe not even that long, maybe an hour and a half, and we're going to extract all of the flavor as much as we can from the heads, and then we'll drain it, strain it out, and that's going to be our shrimp stock. It's not going to have any vegetables in it, no onions, nothing. It's just going to be shrimp stock, and you can use this for any type of a dish, shrimp creole, gumbo, seafood gumbo, any kind of a seafood dish that you need to add some stock to. This is it right here. And that's all there is to it. But we'll show you the process, so stay tuned. Hey man, this is step 2 in how to make shrimp stock or seafood stock. Man, I am so happy today right now because making shrimp stock just makes me happy, because I know that we're going to be making something seafood. I love seafood. And if you like seafood, you should do this. Shrimp stock is the way to go. It's really simple. We already showed you how to peel the shrimp. Now we're just going to show you the rest of the process. So we're going to take 8 cups of water. Go right into this big stock pot right here. All right. Turn the fire up. Look at those beautiful shrimp that came out of those shells. Beautiful. This is really simple. You're just going to bring it to a boil. Boil them for about an hour. Got to get... Here's a little tip. This is Zatarain's shrimp and crab oil. It's not going to overpower the flavor if you just put maybe 2 teaspoons in. But it's going to be a really good shrimpy flavor, and you'll love this. So I'm excited. I really am. I hope you guys are getting excited too, because we have a couple of recipes coming up that requires some good seafood stock. Dun, 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 dun. Hey y'all, I'm excited. We get to make some gumbo, shrimp creole, shrimp etouffee, crawfish etouffee, doesn't really matter. We got the stock to go with it. Hey, we boiled it for an hour, and I'm going to tell you it's hot. Look at that steam coming off there. So the next step, get you another pot with a little strainer and grab that dude and just pour it all in there, y'all. Okay. Boom, done. That's how you do it. Let that drip down a little bit. All that wonderful stock. I want to make a point. We didn't put salt, pepper, onions, garlic, nothing. This is strictly a stock. If you want to flavor it later, you can do it later with your recipe. Whatever you're cooking, I mean, sometimes you just need that basic seafood stock to get started with whatever recipe you're doing. But you don't want it to taste like something else to start off with. So for right now, just going to move this over here. There's a lot of goodness right there. I don't know if you can see that. It smells great. And it tastes great. I mean, it doesn't have an overpowering taste, even though we put the liquid crab oil in. So, we bought these little containers from through Amazon, and we're going to fill those up about right there, not all the way to the top. We're going to let them cool off, and then we'll throw the cap on, and we'll put them in the freezer. We'll put a little label on it, and guess what? We got seafood stock. It's pretty intense, actually. I mean, if this is a little bit too strong, then when you're getting ready to cook, just cut it with some water. You know, it's simple, it's easy. But don't throw away your shrimp heads and your bodies. If you have access to shrimp, fresh shrimp, you definitely want to make your own stock. And that's how to make a seafood stock. Thank you for tuning in to the Sanders Kitchen. We really appreciate you guys watching our videos. We have a lot of fun making them. We just want to say thank you, and we're asking you to please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you know when we come out with new videos, which we do every week. Sometimes we get a little anxious and put a couple of them out a week. And we just want to again say thank you and God bless you for tuning in to the Sanders Kitchen. See you later.